Okay, this first lesson dealing with in our Unit 9 Quadrilaterals unit deals with polygons. Couple things. A lot of this is review. A couple highlights that I wanted to talk to you about. There's not a whole lot in your notes that's new. Basically, the notes are going to be a reference sheet. Examples of what polygons are and what they're not. Polygons are closed, which means they don't have open ends like this, They have straight lines, not curves, and they don't intersect. So those are basically what polygons are. Now, we did break it down, or the names of polygons, you do need to know the names up to 12-sided polygons, and there they are on the right. Regular and irregular. Regular polygons means that they have they're equilateral and equiangular. Basically, all the interior angles are congruent and all the segments are congruent. That would make it regular. If they're not, they're irregular. Concave, convex, one of the ways to remember this is a concave polygon because it has this little indentation here. If you think of a cave, there's a little cave. Convex, they don't have that. All the interior angles of a convex polygon are going to be 90 degrees or less. Whereas you see this one, that's greater than 90 degrees. Oh, I'm sorry, not greater than 180 degrees, what I meant to say. And as you can see, it's greater than 180 degrees on the concave polygon. Here are the formulas for area and circumference and perimeter and circumference. So you will use this. Problems you didn't have to do. Here we're just naming the polygon by its sides, classifying it as either convex or concave, and then it's regular or irregular. Number 1, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so it's a pentagon. If you forget, check back to your notes. It's concave because it's got this angle greater than 180. It has a little cave, so it's concave. And then it's irregular because all of the angles are not the same. That's my answer to 1. That's how you're going to do numbers 1 through 5. Number 6 through 8, that should be review. You're finding the perimeter and or circumference and the area. Here you'll find perimeter and area. Number 7 would be circumference and area. And again, all those formulas are on the previous page. Here you have vertices A, B, and C. Find the perimeter and the area. Basically, you have to find the length of the sides. So you're going to have to use the distance formula for AB, BC, and then AC. That will give you the perimeter when you add up all the lengths. And then it's going to be a triangle, so 1/2 the base times the height. You'll have to use that triangle formula for that. Number 11 through 16, again, classifying it as, just like we did the first few problems, name it, convex or concave, regular or irregular. More perimeter, more area questions. Word problems. I did tell you that you did not have to do 25 through 28. But then you could do the word problems, work those out. You should be good here. And on the last page, find the perimeter circumference. The area of the square is 36 units. Basically, you're working your way back, finding the length of the side. Same with the rectangles. Different formulas. You should be able to complete those. 40 through 43, length of each side, you're good. Alright, that's the problem. That's the lesson on polygons. Pretty short and sweet. Look back to that reference sheet for any information that you don't have.